Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to add a description to a board in the Trello mobile app. If you use Trello to organize your projects or tasks, adding a description can help you and your team understand the purpose of the board. First, open the Trello app on your phone. Next, find the board you want to manage and open it. Then, look for the three dots located at the top. Right and tap on them. After that, click on About this board to open the description panel. Now, you can type in the description you want for your board, explaining the main goals or any important details your team should know. Finally, save your changes by tapping on the Save icon at the top right of the screen, and your description will be applied to the board. Adding a description to a Trello board helps you communicate important information clearly to your team, making project management more efficient and organized. If you found this tutorial useful, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more productivity tips.